You are not carrying your glass, Adi.
Jesus' mighty name, and somebody said it loud, amen.
Amen. 1,000. Why big like this? Is it sweet?
Well.
How much last? 900. No, 900 too much. This one's where they uncle. 500. Go back. So let's. Ooh, it's very fleshy. Wow. I don't even lie, this tastes so good. If I finish this, I'm okay. Hi guys, so it's the beginning of a new vlog I'm at the market. I want to quickly buy some things. I'm visiting a new market. I haven't been here before, so I don't know what their prices are and what they sell. I'm a bit distracted because I'm just observing the road. I don't know if I'm supposed to park here because it's such a busy road. I hope they don't jam my car before I come out from the market. So yeah. All right, yeah, let's go inside the market. Hopefully I can vlog and take you guys along. It's already like 5 p.m, so I don't know if I'll still see anything good to buy, but let's go and check it out. All right, I sent 20,000. 20. Yes, thank you. For 20. Okay, 500. Oh, there you go, rich set. Choco. How much is this one? 500. How much Thai crayfish? Yay! It's very, very small. Jesus. How much would be like that? Show me 5,000 naira on a mercy. They don't milk. How much should I say this one?
I never do one.
Add that one. Only one you put as there. How much should I say that this one? No, I thought somebody give me that one. Not the same thing, but no, not be the same. That one's fine for this one. You don't put her, no worry. Time. How much you be like? It dries, so I don't want to see. I don't like these two. These two, so that last two they did, I don't like them. This one? Find dry one for me. That one's small now. Add jar for me. That good. Oh my goodness. Almost.
From our office, we're there for J and J shopping. Opposite Mega Food Restaurant.
fan.
I think they wear that. I saw someone, they wear that neck fan inside.
Like
I saw a guy that took the thing off and he was like, he wears a neck fan. And people always ask, what
No,
he
please.
wears.
We don't wear anything then. You have to.
No, they don't like it so big. They don't like it. Especially the ones that are like all these random characters, like the gorilla. Oh,
They call you out.
so
And
why were they telling you? Teenagers.
yeah, all the teenagers.
Oh,
I had a group called Teens with a Purpose.
right.
You know, TWAP. So they were.
And like,
Yeah, I won't say it in front of the camera.
conversation is going to happen.
Oh, yeah. It was myself at the moment.
I mean, what I can't really remember.
Hi guys, good morning. All this I love
If I want to get married now today, I'm very just busy, it can't work. Now I let don't mind it. I have to go physically. Yeah, most times, yes. I have to go physically.
See, look at it. Does not look like an extension. It looks like it was grown out of my eye. Yay!
Every other day. Just like this, you go through this.
I'm always looking for B-roll. So it's Wednesday and it's so hot outside. I quickly stepped out of the house to go and see my cousin brother. I also went to the store. I picked up some serviette. We use this a lot for tattooing and just to clean stuff around the house. I also bought some eggs from what else? I bought peppers and I also bought some drinks. I also picked up this really nice chicken pie. I've already started eating from it because I'm so hungry. It's so good, you guys. And I'm washing it down with this. I should literally be drinking more water, not sweet drinks like this, but I can't even help myself right now. I'm so hungry. The only thing I'm thinking about is how I want to go back inside and start prepping for oil rice later. I currently have about 6,000 of you subscribed to me. I want to know what type of content you really want to watch from my channel, from me, so that I can create that content for you guys. Like the last Sunday vlog I uploaded, I think it barely even made 15 views, so I don't know. Shout out to you, Chinwe, if you're watching this. Girl, I love you so much. Thank you so much for engaging. I mean, it means a lot to me. Like, I'm literally like low-key looking forward to your comments every Sunday. I'm so grateful. And to my girl, you know yourself, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always encouraging me by dropping a comment. I'm so grateful. Thank you for liking and sharing. But to the general public, to my subscribers, right, what is it about my content that you don't like? Let me know, okay? I would re-strategize and refocus. If you don't want to see the Sunday vlog about my week, if you think my life is boring, do let me know. But yeah, I've been away for quite a while, and I thought coming back with, you know, vlogs, it was easy for me to do. Like, not so much easy. I mean, trying to fix my phone on my tripod every other day is like a chore. I used to do this way back then when I wasn't so busy, but now that I'm so busy, it's like I have to, so many things are dragging me left and right. Like, I'm work, family, content. Like, I actually create content for brands now, so I'm like, these are the things that pay me. YouTube pay me, but then not as quickly as I expected. I think at this point I'm just rambling, but you guys, please and please watch my videos. I beg, help me share to your friends, let them subscribe, and yeah, I hope to bring you more exciting videos, okay? But for right now, do enjoy, do share, do like, do watch, and yeah, let's go inside. And oh my gosh, God. Guys, I'm back. Exhausted. So I'm just going to lay here and rest for a bit. But let's take off my socks first. So guys, potatoes are on the menu today. So let's fry that up.